What does it take to become a champion? Taylor Robert knows what it takes to edge out his competition. Dedication, passion, commitment, and most importantly, hard work.
I push myself and my equipment to the max. That's why when it comes to my truck, I choose lifted trucks.
Balance is key in life. At Lifted Trucks, we sell and build trucks that help you work hard, but also help you play hard. Whether you're pulling toys or roughing off-road trails, you can have confidence that our trucks are built to perform reliably. LiftedTrucks.com. Work hard, play hard, drive harder.